Hello, everyone. Welcome. So today, Stability AI came out with a new way to do stable diffusion. So it's called Stable Cascade, I believe. So if we go into Discover in Pinocchio, here is Stable Cascade. Let's check it out. If you guys don't know, I use Pinocchio.computer to do a quick install on my local computer using my RTX 3090 to process different types of stable diffusion, animations, images, you name it, it does it. And today, it just released Stable Cascade, which is a new way to process images. We're going to install it right now. So, I download it, and I download the Git repository to my directory, and now I'm going to hit install, and after cloning it, it's going to install all the files necessary to run the application. Super exciting. I always love new stuff that comes out for artificial intelligence, and while this is loading, there's a little bit of drama going on right now. So the creator of Comfy UI and Open Pose or ControlNet, there's a little bit of conflict because Comfy is really based. It's like Stability AI's sort of backend, right? That's what they use. That's what they're promoting. And ControlNet is more Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111. And I mean, I started on Automatic 1111 and I loved it. And there's still some things that you can do with Automatic 1111 that you can't do with Comfy. One of which is the forum, which is a cool way to create very elaborate and synchronized animations. You can still make animations within Comfy UI, but I just haven't found, that level of control using Comfy that you can using Stable Diffusion 1111 in the forum. Anyway, so that's kind of drama that's unfolding in Reddit. I want to see where that goes. But anyway, this should be pretty exciting. Like I said, just launched today, and it's doing its magic. It's going through and installing all the required files. And then after it's done, we can just click the local link, the local IP address, and launch it. I don't even know if it's going to use the same checkpoints as Comfy UI, or it has a whole bunch of models that you can choose from, but you and I are going to find out together. If you have any favorite tools that you like to use involving Stable Diffusion, put them in the comments. Put them in the comments. If there's something that you would like me to talk about or go after, put it in the comments. I would love to do an entire video on whatever passions you guys have. I think it would be fun. I would love to do every single application within Pinocchio.computer so that you guys have access to the latest tools, how to install them, and how to use them. I mean, I've been doing this for over 2 years now, and I'm amazed at how something new comes out every week. Every week. I follow a few people on X, and I get alerts when they post something new, and the level of progression for artificial intelligence is, we are revolutionizing the way that marketing is done. We're automating different systems. We are transforming Hollywood in the way that we can produce movies, commercials. It's just amazing. And all of these tools are at our fingertips, and most of them are open source. So it's giving the accessibility to these tools to everyone, which is wonderful. All right, so it looks like all the files are installed. and we can just go ahead and click start and see if this fires up. So it's starting. It's launching from the virtual environment, from the Pinocchio directory, and in the initial launch, you got to install all the files or modules necessary to make it functional. Come on. Loading pipeline. There we go. All right, let's rock this out. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay. I was not expecting that. But here's the very simple interface. Unofficial demo for Stable Cascade, a new high-resolution text-to-image model by Stability AI, built on, I'm not going to pronounce that German word, I don't know, architecture, non-commercial research license. Okay, so let's look at advanced options. So, basically you have your positive prompt, you have your negative prompt, you have your seed, you have the size of your image, number of images, guidance. This is like the CGF scale. And then inference steps. This is probably quality. Decoder guidance scale. I don't know. These are different. I gotta do some research on this. But anyway, let's put it in a prompt. So let's say, how about half lizard, half bunny, surfing a wave, California. And then let's say beautiful blue skies. And we'll do, let's see if we can add some of these highly detailed. I like to do that. And then throw in at the end like 8K. And down here, negative prompt, I like to do not safe for work, and then text, and then watermark, and what else? Ugly. All right, so we're gonna do a square, and let's just do, can I do more than one image? I can do 2 images. Okay, we'll do 2 images, and we'll just leave the rest, and we'll hit run. Okay, so you're seeing the actual diffusionary model, the noise, as it slowly works its way to the image. Wow. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Wow. All right. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's try another one. Oh my goodness, that's pretty cool. Let's download that one. God, I'm impressed with that. Now, what did I say first? Half lizard, half bunny. So if I say half bunny, half lizard, I wonder if it switches it around. I kind of like the lizard body, though, I have to say. Wow, that is amazing. All right, let's see what happens. I said half bunny, half lizard. Am I going to get a fluffy back and a lizard face? Now it looks like it kind of looks like a kangaroo. Now it just looks like a bunny. All right, what if I do half lizard, or what if I just do lizard bunny without anything else? Lizard bunny. Let's see what happens. Wow. All right. Well, that is a quick, kind of quick and loose. Let's just do something a little bit more non-animal-esque. So let's do red Lamborghini California, blue skies. Let's try that. Let's see what that does. You can almost see it forming amongst all the mess of the noise. Here it comes. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Not bad, right? Pretty cool. Let's do yeah, let's do one more. Let's try purple. Purple Lamborghini. You can see it like right in there. Here it comes. Oh, it's facing this way. That's pretty cool how it forms. And then it does like a high res fix, and bam. Pretty cool. All right, so that was a really quick tutorial on installing stable Cascade. I'm sure it's going to come out with a bunch of new features that's going to be incorporated into like a comfy UI node by somebody, or it's going to be implemented in only automatic 11.11. Who knows? But I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please subscribe if you like what I'm talking about, and ring that bell so you know when I make some new content. All right, take care, and I'll catch you later. Bye.